Well, good morning. Here we are with another paint pouring day, and it's going to be open cup, possibly two open cups, and some shenanigans thrown in. So let's just start with right there, and put my first cup down, tap it into place, and let's start with some color. This is going to be a green one today. I did a red one the other day, and I enjoyed using my hot colors. So I really have not done very much with greens. So we're going to try that one today with green. Whoops, that was silly. Guess I put a little white in there. And a touch of this dark. I like it. What else do we want to do? Ooh, yes, look at that. Yeah. Oh, elephant snot. All right. Okay. How about just a touch, and I do mean a touch of black. Whoa, good job. Yeah, it looks pretty vibrant, doesn't it? Well, let's see what we have here. Let's just do this. All right, I brought that over there. Let's put a touch of this is phthalo green. Ooh, it's dark, which means it'll be overpowering. A little bit of the gray green. Some more white. And it's this one. This is aqua green, bright aqua green. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. I don't want to put too much dark in, so let me do a swirly gig. Okay. Alrighty. I guess I didn't use two of those. Thought I was going to. 2 cups, that is. I forgot this was a little canvas, and I do not have my gloves on, but apparently I don't care. Okay, let's get rid of these frogs hiding under the bubbles under the lily pads. Those are kind of fun colors. Let me do a little tipping and a sliding here and see what we end up with. Okay, I'm going to try something a little different, and we'll see what it looks like here. Bear with me. I wanted to do this. I think I did one painting a long time ago where I used this effect, and we're going to try it today. I think I'll try this topaz. Yeah, I don't know how this is going to turn out, so let's find out. You put it under there, and apparently that's what you do. And whoa. Well, this is crazy, isn't it? Yeah. I won't say what I think it looks like because I'm not sure. Okay. I'm going to look at this for a minute. Okay, you know I'm a fool for my little mini blower, and that gave it a different look, didn't it? A little bit of this, a little bit of that, and I'm going to use the blower on here. I got some bubbles. Okay, you're going to have to admit you didn't think that was going to happen, did you? Neither did I. But you know what? It's kind of fun. Yeah, it is kind of fun. And I just might leave it. And I think I'm gonna. This could be the quickest pour in my history. Yeah. I'll look at it a little bit and see if there's anything else I want to do to it to manipulate it. But I think for a quickie, that has got some spring colors in it, doesn't it? You bet it does. You bet it does. Okay. So, if I do any more fiddling with it, I will come back and show you. But I think I'm going to quit while I'm ahead. Boy, I got the whole rest of the day ahead of me. Gee whiz, it's only 11:01. So on the 4th of July, I might add. So this is going to be a great holiday day. So with that, this is Richard B. saying thanks for watching the quickie. And I'll get this posted in a day or so and hope you enjoy looking at it. I will talk to you next time. All for now. Goodbye. Well, here you go. I think I'm finished. And I kind of like the effect. I hadn't done one like this before. As open cup and drag it a little bit, and then I did some, I don't know what you'd call it. I poked some color into it, and then drug it out. And you saw what happened. I had the lines there, and I thought, what the heck? Let's take mini blower and see what we can create. Worst it happens, you have to scrape it off. But I'm not scraping today. I'm going to keep it. Call it a keeper. And I hope you enjoyed watching this and maybe gave you some ideas for yourself. This is Richard saying thanks for watching again. Bye-bye.